going to come to side hip. Okay? So once we're here, we're going to come to the other stomach. Okay? We're going to make him push our knee off. As soon as it hits the ground, we're going to backspin and grab his legs. Okay? Now, you're going to do your standard knee bar. Okay? Actually, we'll go here. You're going to angle off, and you're going to sit down. You're going to triangle his legs. So now he can't move. Top leg. You're going to pull down. Elbow goes on top. And now here's your knee bar. But the fulcrum is very big. So it's very painful. So do it nice and easy. Tap 1. Tap 2. Again. Mount. Break the posture. Hands, palms on the hip. Bridge up, lift. Knees come in, stretch them. Trap one arm, head stays to the side, you're going to sweep. Bottom leg comes through. Lean on my shoulder, not to my back. On my shoulder, kick him over, sweep, come to side control. Knee on stomach. Make him force your knee out. As soon as it hits the ground, you use that to pivot. You don't pivot here. When it hits the ground, I use that momentum and I come around and pick his legs up immediately. If I leave his legs on the ground, he can start hipping out. Okay? Yep. So an important detail, okay, hip out. Got nothing to bridge off. Okay? Angle, sit. You want a triangle right in the middle of his thigh. Here, and triangle tight.
Professor, when you get a position, where do you grab from here, from the top of it?
No, by his foot.
No, I'm saying when you're sitting. So he bends his legs?
No, grab by the calves.
Okay.
Never grab above the knee.
Okay.
See, because if I'm here, and I grab here, he can bend his feet and fight. So I grab here on the calves, see? Okay? Keep the calves. Down. Okay, so I pull this one down, elbow on top. Come behind, tap 1, tap 2. You got it?